The field trims, long trim field trims is up to 20%. That's why this way you detect like vacuum leaks when it's a positive number link codes, and you have a PO171, PO174, it's a link codes, and you can see in data